Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking whole Branzino on the grill. This is our Branzino.
Here we have our slaw ingredients. The onion needs to be thinly sliced. Here we're using a mandolin. After you peel your garlic, it needs to be finely diced. When you're processing your ají peppers, they're a Peruvian pepper. The seeds need to be removed before you dice them as well, the same as the garlic. Next up, we're going to take some fresh cilantro from the garden, and that cilantro is going to be chopped. It doesn't need to be very finely chopped. Everything is going to be mixed together in a bowl, and we lightly season it. For our seasoning here, we're using salt, pepper, onion salt, garlic salt, and cumin. That all needs to be stirred together. Once it's stirred and mixed pretty evenly, your slaw is ready, and now it's time to move on to our fish. These are the whole Branzino we're going to be working with today. They came from Costco, as I said earlier, very fresh. The first step is going to be to score them. That allows the seasoning to penetrate beyond the skin. The fish also needs to be seasoned. Make sure when you're seasoning it, you season not only the outside but the inside as well. Next step will be to stuff the fish with slaw. Make sure you leave some of the slaw on the outside of the fish as well to impart those flavors. Final step before putting the fish on the grill is going to be to wrap them in the plantain leaves. Make sure they're relatively tightly wrapped and that none of the fish is uncovered because it will cause it to burn. Here you can see the fish on the grill. Make sure you move them around so they're cooking evenly and the leaves don't catch fire. Here we have our finished product, wrapped and unwrapped. If you like this video and any other content on this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.